So for today, I want you to reread this book, Plant Life Cycles, and I want you to write down all of the sight words that you find. And you can write those down and you can then practice making a sentence with that. So for example, um, here, every living thing begins, can reproduce. So can, we know, is a sight word. So let me get rid of that. Can is a sight word. So I would write the word can on a piece of paper, and then I would say, oh, so another way to use can is to say, I I can jump high. And that's what you're going to do today. And if you write down your sentences too, that would be wonderful practice for practicing your handwriting and to remember to put periods at the end of your sentence. All right, that's what you're doing for today, and I miss you guys. Oh, and a quick reminder that your specials teachers have been working hard on making fun activities for you guys to do. So I want you to check out their stuff on the website. They have all special stuff for you to do, so make sure you're doing that. Okay, could you guys hear me? Alright, I hope you guys can hear me. Alright,